Okay guys, I think our lobster mac and cheese is ready. I'm going to take it out of the oven now. Let's take a look at it. I baked it on 350 for about 30 minutes. And here it is. Ta-da! All right, let's put the camera on top of it so you can see what it looks like. Lobster mac and cheese. Can't wait to dig into this. Let me grab a spoon. Okay, so grab a spoon and look at that. Deliciousness. That yummy deliciousness. Yes, yes, yes. All right, thank you guys for tuning to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit.